If we look again at the strategic management cycle, we can see how it relates to our 4 essential strategic questions. As we can see, each dimension of the cycle addresses one of our essential strategic questions. Where are we now? Where do we want to go? How are we going to get there? And how will we know when we have arrived? As we have discussed, strategic planning also seeks to answer these questions. Therefore, answering the question, where are we now, involves strategic thinking around and analysis of the specific issue you are trying to address, and the external and internal environment. While answering the question, where do we want to go, requires the identification of options and strategic decisions concerning the vision, mission, goals, and strategic objectives of the organization, taking into account opportunities, challenges, and overall feasibility. Identifying how are we going to get there involves the formulation of a strategy for translating decisions into achievable results, identifying and allocating responsibility and resources. Answering the question, how will we know when we have arrived, requires the establishment of a performance management system for the monitoring and evaluation of your strategy's implementation, including the identification of milestones and indicators of success, as well as the knowledge management systems necessary to support the management of performance. A further aspect of strategy implementation, rarely associated with strategic planning from a traditional perspective, but noteworthy from a strategic management perspective, relates to the establishment of relevant systems for the capture and integration of organizational learning. Finally, it is important to recognize that strategic planning is an iterative process.